Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be taking a look at a pencil you probably see me using in some of my other videos. This is by Penoval. They actually make this for the Surface devices as well. So be sure to check out that video when I post it as well. But for now, let's talk about Apple. So a lot of people don't want to spend over $100 for the Apple Pencil. They want to save money. There's a lot of pen options out there, but I found this one to be the most useful when it comes to actually using it with my iPad Mini 6. Yes, I said my iPad Mini 6 because it is compatible with the latest iPads. So you get a couple of tips in the box to change out if you need to change those out over time. You get a Type-C charger, and you get the pen. So the pen has an LED indicator on it to let you know where the battery levels are. So I think that's pretty cool. To turn it on, you just double tap the top and then you'll see your battery indicator there. Now, white means it's about 60 to 100%, blue is 20 to 60%, and red means it's time to charge because it's under 20%. Now, when it comes to writing with your pencil on your iPad of choice, you do have palm rejection, so that is really nice. You can catch an even flow of continuous writing. You don't have to worry about any accidental presses or anything like that when using this particular pencil. Now, it does have a quick charge feature where you can pop this on the charger for about 5 to 10 minutes and you will get an hour's worth of use out of this thing. So for me, it actually comes in handy because I've been taking a lot of notes and everything like that. I've been trying to doodle and do some drawing too, which is absolutely crazy because I'm not an artist. But this is another affordable option instead of using the Apple Pencil, which costs well over $100. And the great part about this pencil is that it attaches to the iPad Mini 6 or your iPad 11 Pro, your 12 Pro. It attaches to the iPads that can magnetically attach pencils to them. So works flawlessly with no issues whatsoever. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab yours, but this one is totally worth it, coming in at under $40. You can't beat it. I like it, and I appreciate them sending it over. It's your man Jay. Take care.